Hi, this post is on the Danby 1.7 cubic feet compact refrigerator. It does not have a freezer. And on the door here, it can hold up to 6 cans, and it also can hold a liter over on this side here. On the inside, it does have these 2 movable trays, so you can move these along each of the tracks if you needed to move it to put in larger stuff. So this is great for either a dorm or an office where you need to keep things cold. I highly recommend this, and so I hope I was able to show you up close this Danby 1.7 cubic feet compact refrigerator, and I hope it helps you in your decision. Thanks so much for watching.